morning, class 11. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy. Students, in previous videos we have uploaded different chapters of grammar in your books. Today I have decided you to teach a poem entitled Father to a Son by Elizabeth Jennings, a British poet who is popularly known for her clarity of style and love for human relationships in her poetry. Students, the present poem articulates a father's lament over the situations that has developed in his relationship with his son. Students, the father feels that he and his son have become strangers to each other. Why does he feel so? He gives so many grounds in favor of his presumptions. He says his only son wishes to put an end to this strangeness. Thus, the poem brings out in original terms and the consequences of what we call generation gap. My dear students, the father is unhappy because he doesn't understand his own son. The poem starts with this beautiful and remarkable tone of relationship. He says, though they have been living together since his son's birth, they have been living together when the son was born. Now he tries again to feel the pulse of his son by going back to his son's childhood day. He wants to go back to understand all those feelings and emotions present on that time. He is hopeful that he can glean some lost points from that age. Which were the important points, which were the important parts of relationship present those days when his son was a child and he was maintaining all those relationships without any break or without any gap. He compares his son to a plant. He is grown up now and seems to be a stranger. The beautiful comparative study has been made by the poetess who is known for that kind of comparative study. Students, though the son has grown up as wished by the father, each and every father has desire, wish for his children, for his son or daughter, and the father wants that the son or daughter or child should grow up according to the wish of the father. Even then, there is no compatibility between the two. The father is very much worried that there is no such type of good relationship in between them. The father is not happy to see his son and himself living like a stranger. He always feels very disappointed when he finds that he himself and the son are living in a strange way, living in a strange relationship. He would like to call him to waste all his money and come back home so that the severed links can be cemented again. He wants that the same relationship should be taken back to them and the same relationship should be restarted, and the relationship should be based upon a strong emotional background. He hopes the son would come to him and he would readily forgive him for his lapse. He wants that if there is any mistake if there is any error, that error should be rectified without any if and but. He wants that a new relationship based on mutual love would then flourish again in between them. Students, the present poem brings home the agony of breakup in a loving relationship. The poem in the last of the paragraphs is going to make it clear that breakup in a relationship is not good at any stage, at any moment of life. The gap in age and moral values leads to a clash of personalities. If there is any gap, that definitely takes you to the clash of personalities. The relationship of father and the son is close, scared and cherished, but it may break up due to rigid attitudes, lack of understanding and respect, or bad social influence. Students, in the last of the poem, it's very much apparent and clear that the father longs for the same relationship with his son as he enjoyed during his son's childhood. He is ready to forgive his son and wishes a reapproachment, but he feels helpless to break the ice. Students, the poem is full of so many good lessons for us, and we should learn that if we are a son, we should never break up any relationship with the family members, especially with the father. If there is any mistake, if there is any error, that should be rectified, that should be tried to be rectified, and ultimately it should be just made reunion, and it should be made reapproachful. Students, I hope this present poem has been understood by you with beautiful lesson that there is a strong relationship in between father and the son, and it must be maintained at any cost. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.